Blue bang, a blue bang, blue bang, blue bang. Yeah, bitch, the real nigga is back. I'ma hold it down, nigga, like that. Blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang, yeah. What is blue bang, bitch? I'm all up in the scenery. Every time you see me, my nigga, I'm smoking greenery. Whole nother scenery. I know you heard of me. I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I know you wanna murder me. Got to get my cheese, bitch. I got to get my chips. Blue bang, bitch, walking with the fucking Crips. And I wanted is some chips, but they follow me across the stove. If you didn't know, Fayetteville, Cameron Grove, Lafayette, where you back? If you got it on your back, bitch, go ahead and show you that. Like that, put them foes up. Roll a fat one and pull that drink up. Man, it's time for me to wreck. Grab the pen and sign a dot for the check. Bitch, I'm blue bang 52, bitch. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Blue bang, blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang. Who it is? Blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue bang, blue, a blue, yeah. That's right, bitch, I'm a blue banger. I'ma get my paper, I ain't about to fucking change up like these fuck boys that be doing in this world. Pussy ass niggas and fuck lady girls. Gon' get it for life, I'm cutting with a knife. I'ma do my thing like Mike Tyson, nigga, cut and slice. Get the chips with some bread, let's go bust some heads. Feeling clear, so I'm about to cut off these legs, yeah. You bitches ain't ready for war. I'm a real ass nigga, man, I live by the swall. And I'm paranoid, so I'm always smoking sweets. So when I catch the munchie, I keep some candy just to eat. Gotta get my fucking paper, fuck Chief Keef. I'm a dog, I'm a bite, I'm a bark like a beast. Blue bang, a blue bang, I got 2 blue flames on my changer. I rearrange, I'm getting paper. I don't give a fuck about none of y'all haters. What's up, little gator? Who they call me? Jigger, young nigga, smoking swishes, sipping liquor, throw young fucking nigga, Black Panther, a blue banger. I keep that Joshua in the CD changer. Now put it in your dick if you sipping on that wet. Real ass soldiers, Fayetteville convict.